Meet Alex. Alex is an account director working for a successful accountancy firm. His company have their own in-house IT department. However, every day, something else seems to go wrong. He arrived at work this morning, only to find that his PC wasn't working correctly. Whilst writing an important report, his PC crashed unexpectedly. This meant he had to file a system error with the IT department to get it fixed. Alex had to wait and wait and wait. Worst of all, his data wasn't backed up to the cloud, meaning he would have to start all over again. Alex didn't get his report finished in time. The boss wasn't happy. Even though Alex's IT department are experienced, they are overrun with problems. Meet Linda. Linda is a solicitor working for a successful law firm. Her day is super productive and free of worries as her company have a much smarter IT system. Linda and her team use Heisel for their IT support. Heisel have a proven track record with over 100 years of combined IT experience. Thanks to Heisel, Linda's PC is always running smoothly. Linda doesn't have to wait when she has a problem. She can simply pick up the phone and give Heisel a call. Heisel provide Linda with a 24-hour customer support service 7 days a week. Her call gets answered immediately, with no fault logging or passing the problem on. She gets a fully trained technical person, meaning her problem gets a solution instantly. Heisel have also installed a variety of flexible IT systems, meaning Linda's company works much smarter. The cloud system enables multiple backup options for Linda's data. Her information is never lost, as she can go back in time to retrieve it. Linda's system is also secure and protected from cyber attack, as Heisel have installed a high-quality security service solution. Linda can also work anywhere she likes through the remote access system, allowing her to tailor her working practices to the task in hand. Linda also has a great relationship with Heisel, as she receives a personal service with a genuine care for her business needs. Linda has the right people in place, experienced to deal with any problem that arises, like a superhero to save the day when she needs it most. Linda is happy, and more importantly, her boss is even happier.